Welcome. Thanks for joining me. We're going to be doing Mat Pilates today. All you need is your own body weight and a mat, maybe some water or towel if you'd like nearby. All levels are welcome. Join me when you can. We'll begin grounding down in our seated spinal warm-up. So find your way onto your mat. Take a moment to settle those feet hip width apart. Try to find those sit bones beneath you and then sit tall. You want to think about grounding through those sit bones, stacking the vertebrae one on top of the other. The shoulders are over the hips. The crown of the head is reaching high. So from the straight spine stacked position, take a deep inhale to fill up. Exhale, slowly begin to cascade forward. Hands move towards the ankles, head bows down. And you send the breath into the back of the neck. Inhale, ribs and lungs expand to the ceiling. Exhale, belly falls heavy to the thighs. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, release. Letting yourself fully arrive in your body. Beginning to explore breath. On the next inhale, draw the belly into the spine and slowly begin that stack again from the sit bones through the vertebrae, the shoulders are back, the neck is long, the gaze is forward. Inhale, rise from root to crown. Exhale, slowly round forward. Bow the head, release the chin to the chest, head is heavy. You're sending all awareness to the back body. Urging the stretch to move from the base of the spine, run the length of the spine end where the neck muscles meet the skull in that occipital groove. Inhale, belly in, slow articulation as you re-stack up. Shift the shoulders back, open the chest, lengthen. Inhale here, exhale, round and curl. Bow the head. Find your breath. Inhale, belly in, slow articulation as you restack, shoulders back, chest open. Last two, inhale. Exhale, round, curl, release, head heavy. Using the full capacity of the diaphragm, fill up completely, empty fully. Inhale, belly in, slowly articulate from root to crown as you stack, shoulders back, chest open. Inhale here, exhale, round. Bow the head. If you want more depth to stretch, take the hands behind the head. Release the hands, belly in, slowly articulate up. Shoulders back, chest open. We're moving into our roll back. So hands can be on the legs or off. You're going to slowly roll back halfway and then rise up. So it's a half roll back, hollowing out through the core, and then slowly rising. Again, hands can walk down or hands can come off completely as you roll. Restack. One more just like that. Roll halfway back. Restack. And now this time come all the way down. Lumbar, thoracic, cervical spine, head taps down, release, and then reset. Straighten out of chin to chest. Feel the grip through the core as you rise. Once again, this can be done hands on or hands off. Feel the gripping through your center, trying not to rush the movement. Last two, full roll back, full roll up. Last one at the top, slowly down, come all the way back to the top. And now release back and hold yourself Knees into the chest. Gentle rock, right to left. Reset the feet, hip width apart. Knees are bent, feet are hip width apart. We're just going to begin to awaken the pelvis. You're going to roll the hips back and forth. As you rock the hips away, there's this big space under the low back. As you rock the hips back towards the ribs, you're pressing down. So we're just working through range of motion. Think about your two hip bones and your pubic bone as a triangle. Just take that triangle forward and back. Begin to tie in the lower abdominals to this movement if you can. Then begin to make that movement a little bit smaller. You're going to rock back slightly. So there's a breath of fresh air between your low back and the mat. We're not bearing down. We're not rocked away. Just a breath of fresh air. So it's a soft connection of low back to the mat. We're going to try to stabilize through the hips to maintain that hold. We're then going to begin to open up the hips. We're going to open up that right leg first. Extend the right leg long. Pinky toe drags on the mat. You're then going to revolve the big toe towards the mat and drag the big toe in back to that start position. So it's out, lengthen the leg, come over the top of that foot, big toe connects, pull. As we do this, trying to keep stabilization through hips, pelvis, and core, as well as maintaining that soft connection of low back to mat. Reverse, you're now going to extend that right leg long, big toe drags, open through the hip, pinky toe connects, drag the leg in, open hip position, reset, lengthen, toe down, open, drag, reset, lengthen, open, drag, reset. Last one. Good, switching that leg. We first move out to the outside, open the hip, drag the leg long, turn, big toe in, drag the mat back, lengthen, open, pivot, pull, open, lengthen, move from pinky side to big toe side, drag the foot in. Again. Once again, goal is to find that stabilization in the pelvis. Switch, lengthen, open, pull, reset, lengthen, open, pull, reset. Excellent. Reset the feet, hip width. Find that strong core connection, pelvic stabilization. Lengthen the arms. Take a deep inhale, prepare, exhale, we rise up into ab prep. Fingertips reach towards the heels. We hold on the full inhale, then slowly articulate down, letting it all go at the bottom. Inhale, prepare, exhale, rise, hold, release. Inhale, prepare, exhale, rise, hold, release. Inhale, belly in. Exhale, ribs slide to hips, slight nodded chin to chest. Hold for the full inhale. Slowly articulate down. Exhale. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, rise. Hold. Reset. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, rise. Hold. Reset. Last two. Inhale here. Exhale, ride the breath up. Hold for the inhale. Lower slowly. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, slow articulation down, head heavy. Draw the knees in for a little reverse stretch, gentle rock, right to left. And then drawing the legs to that tabletop position, alternating toe taps once again, focus on pelvic stabilization. You're going to draw the right toe halfway down and then back up. Toe tap left side halfway and all the way back up. You feel like you can move the leg so the toe meets the ground. Feel free to move towards that option. If that's too much depth and the low back is rocking away, then again, halfway down, halfway up with a toe tap. Beginning to find lower abdominal connection as we stabilize. Deep belly breath, tightly wrapped within that corset. So thinking about a corset wrapped around our midsection, encompassing our low, mid, and upper belly, wrapping around the ribs, tying in the side body, and then wrapping around the low, mid, back. One more on the right, one more on the left. For the knees into the chest, give them a hug. Send the arms overhead. Tabletop legs, arms facing kneecaps, opposite arm, opposite leg extensions. Inhale, right arm, left leg long. Exhale, return center. Inhale, left arm, right leg. Return center. The arm and leg that are not moving are stabilized in that start position. Knee over hip, hand over shoulder. Lengthen. Inhale. Exhale. And with those knees into the chest, gentle rock, right, left. Now moving into the hundreds. Classic Pilates exercise can be done from a tabletop position. Tabletop, so we have a straight line from hip to knees, knees to ankles, toes are pointed. Or if you're more familiar with Pilates and are ready for more intermediate to advanced work, the legs can lengthen to full extension 45. Hips to toe tips, long and strong. If at any point the low back comes away from the mat, that's your body telling you we need to modify. Tabletop legs, those basics and fundamentals of Pilates always come first. So find your way to that tabletop. That's our start position. We're going to move from the ab prep into the full hundreds. So it's an inhale on a 5 count, exhale on a 5 count. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, rise. Begin little pulses at the hips. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 60. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 70. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 80. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 90. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head heavy, knees in. Great work. Let the tension go. We strengthen, we stretch to bring balance to the body. Should feel that corset and that warmth in your center. Traditionally, from hundreds, we move to bicycle and then bicycle to scissors. So left leg extends long to a hover, to a pointed. Right knee stays in. We lift head, neck, and shoulders and gaze over the right shoulder. Inhale here, exhale, lengthen right, draw left in. Inhale, exhale, rotating from right to left. Keeping and maintaining that warmth in our center. Send the tension into the core, take it out of the neck. 4, 3, 2, one more right, one more left, head heavy, knees in. Let it go. Moving into scissors. So now the right leg extends long. Hands draw behind right hamstring. The left leg extends to a hover. We lift the head, neck, and shoulders. We draw our gaze to our thighs. Inhale here. Exhale, left leg high, right leg low. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 10. 8. 6. 4, 3, 2, one more right, one more left, head heavy, knees in. Take your time to let the tension go. Double knee stretch, knees come in, head, neck, and shoulders lift. Slide out of chin to chest. Inhale, reach the arms and the legs long, let the head drop back slightly. Exhale, round curl, tuck. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, rise up, knees to nose. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, lengthen and extend, rise up, inhale, Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2. Head heavy. Lengthen the right leg, lengthen the left leg. Extend the arms overhead. Reach the feet in one direction, hands in the opposite direction. Full roll up. Heavy legs, flex and active feet. Inhale, arms to ears. Exhale, slowly peel up. Reach for the toes. Restack to a straight spine position and slowly articulate down. Hollowing out through the core once again. Take your time on the descent. Arms float. Inhale, arms, ears. Exhale, rise up. Round. Reset. Articulate. Inhale. Exhale. Head heavy. Reset, straight spine. Slowly release back down. Once again, feel the work on the way up and on the way back down. Inhale, arms, ears. Exhale, rise. Round. Restack. Slow descent. One more, just like that. Arms, ears. Rise. Restack. Articulate. Take a moment at the bottom. The next round of work will be a full roll up with rotation at the top. So right toes move to outside of left foot. Left fingertips move outside of right feet. Inhale, arms, ears. Exhale, rise up. Right fingertips outside of left foot. Rise up. Articulate. Hollow out. Exhale, rise. Reach. Add that rotation. Slow articulation down. Arms, ears. Rise. Reach. Restack. Lower down. Rise. Reach. Restack. Lower down. One more on each side. Last one. Left fingertips towards your right foot. Find your way back. Once again, active stretch, feet, arms. And then send the arms long, bend the knees. Single leg circles. We're gonna stabilize on that left side. So find that soft low back connection, strong pelvic connection. For stability, lengthen the right leg long. You want a 45-degree angle from hip to knee, knee to toe tip. And then begin to circle that the size of a wall clock. Hips steady, core strong, breath deep within that corset. Reverse direction and begin to lower that leg towards the earth. Take your time. Accent pause. Now we lower. Second set. Moving towards a hover. Don't rush the movement. Still circling and lowering. 5, 4, 3, 2. Pause here. Reverse direction. Slowly draw that leg back up. Feel the gripping and the warmth moving into that quadricep. Halfway up, still circling. 5, 4, 3, 2. At the top, flex the foot, drop the heel, point the toe, lift, flex, drop, point, lift, flex, drop, point, lift, flex, drop, point, lift, flex, drop, point, lift. 2 more, flex, drop, point, lift, flex, drop, point, lift. This time just flex, point, flex, point. Feel the tension. 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Right leg regrounds. Stabilization now on that right side. Lengthen the left leg. Paintbrush on that toe. Begin to circle. 45-degree angle. Strength starting at your center, radiating out. Use that core for stability. Reverse direction. Keep the leg at 45, circle. Reverse direction of circle, begin to lower that leg down towards the earth. Take your time. Halfway, still lowering. At the bottom of the movement in 3, 2, pause, reverse direction, slowly draw that leg back up. Take your time. 5, 4, 3, 2 at the top, flex the foot, drop to a hover, point the toe, lift, flex, drop, point, lift, flex, drop, point, lift. Maintain core connection, lower abdominal focus, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, end of that leg long, 45, flex and bend. Simple yet very effective movements. Hold on to it, 5, 4, 3, 2. Release the knees to the chest, give them a hug. Ground the feet, knees bent. Weight of the head in the hand, shoulder rolls. You're going to lift the right shoulder blade, look towards the left hip. Plant the right shoulder blade, look towards the left hip. Right shoulder blade lifts, left shoulder blade lifts. So feel that roll from right to left. Roll, roll. Not pulling on the neck, let the weight of the head be in the hands. Let the core sit, fill with tension. Shoulder rolls for 5, 4, 3, 2. Excellent work. Head heavy, knees in, gentle rock, right to left. Then we transition into bridge pose. Feet, once again, hip width. Palms press, lift hips and hold. Shoulder, hips, hips through kneecaps. One long line of energy. Corset wrapped around midsection. Shoulders open, reflected down and back. 10. Hold and breathe. 8, 6, 3, 2. So slowly begin to articulate down, belly in, articulate through each and every vertebrae. Lumbar spine releases, tailbone, glutes, knees to chest. Give them a hug. We'll do another round of bridge pose, super effective exercise. Ground the feet. Place the palms, engage the lower abdominals, rock the hips back to the ribs, and then send those hips high. Hold. Stay in the hold or hover those heels for a little bit more intensity through the lower legs. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2. Reground the heels first, then hollow out through the core. At the bottom, once again, knees into chest. Give them a hug. And rolling onto the right side of the body, we're going to go right into our side laying series. Bottom arm is long, top leg is grounded on top of bottom leg. Hips are stacked. If you need to fold over the mat to cushion the hip, please do. Top arm is going to move into the mat for a little bit more stability. We're going to lift the top leg high. And once again, begin those leg circles about the size of a wall clock. Take your time. Bottom leg is actively grounding you down. Three consecutive rounds. First round, inviting in the burn, reverse direction and circle. The intensity will build with each and every round. Once you feel the tension move in, embrace that tension that evokes change. Second set, reverse and circle. Beginning to feel some warmth on the outer thigh. Reverse and circle. Third set, should be feeling that tension. Four, three, two, reverse and circle. Five, four, three, two, lift the toe to the sky, flex, pull the heel straight down. Point the toe, lift the leg, flex, pull, point, lift, flex, pull, point, lift, flex, pull. Continue. Toe points on the way up, flex, pull the leg down. Two more. Last one. Beautiful. Take that top leg in front of the bottom leg, thread the arm through, lift the head, flex the bottom leg, little pulses towards the sky, inner thigh focus. See if you can make that movement a little higher and a little bit smaller. Little higher, little smaller. Once again, little higher, little smaller. Find that inner thigh of that lower leg. 10, 8, 6, 3, 2, release. Stack the legs and draw those legs together. Bottom arm is long, top arm is extended on the side of the body. Legs draw together. We inhale, prepare, belly in. Exhale, rise up, fingertips towards kneecaps, light touch in that bottom arm. Hold. Release. Inhale, prepare, exhale, rise. Hold. Release. Inhale, prepare, exhale, rise. Hold. Release. Couple more. Inhale, belly in, exhale, fingertips towards kneecap, shoulder away from ear. Last two, inhale, prepare, exhale, rise. Hold. Release. Last one, inhale, belly in, exhale, rise up, hold up. 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Draw the legs to a tabletop position. Draw the bottom arm down for an oblique crunch. You're aiming elbow towards hip. Check in. If you're not feeling intensity, layer in the leg movement. Knees come in towards elbow. Elbow draws down towards knees. Control, rise and fall. Feel that side body doing the work. Five, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Release down. Draw those legs back to tabletop. And we're going to take a couple spinal twists. With the shoulders stacked, the head resting, the top arm is going to reach up to the sky and then draw down behind you. You're going to let the gaze revolve if it feels okay for the neck. Away from that hip that's moving towards the right. Shoulder drawing down. Inhale, re-engage the arm straight to the sky. Exhale, palms back together. Again, inhale, arm lifts. Exhale, twist and hold. Hips stacked. Top hip pressing forward, shoulder drawing down, back and together. And on the inhale, fire that back arm up and down. Last one, inhale, reach. Exhale, release into that hold and stretch. Inhale the arm back up. Exhale the arm back down. Rise up into spin. We'll move into the opposite side for that side leg series. Taking each movement as it comes, weighting the head, stacking the legs, moving the yoga mat under us if we need more cushion for those hips, activating both legs, but just lifting the top leg and circling. Circling forward, about the size of a wall clock, not rushing the movement. Reverse and circle. Second set, reverse circle forward. Reverse circle back. Circle forward. Your ground to work should be feeling reverse, circle back. Feeling that burn, embrace the burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale, toe to the sky, exhale, flex, pull the heel down. Inhale, toe to the sky, exhale, flex, pull the heel down. Inhale, toe, exhale, flex, pull heel. Inhale, toe, exhale, flex, pull heel. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Resist resistance on the way down. Full range of motion on the way up. 2 more. Last one. Cross that top leg in front of the bottom leg. Thread the arm through. Lift the head. Activate the bottom leg. Foot is flexed. Bottom leg, inner thigh is the focus. Begin to make that movement a little higher and a little smaller. A little higher, a little smaller. One more time, a little higher, a little smaller. 10. 5. Stack the legs. Rest the head. Extend the top arm long. Oblique focus. Inhale here, exhale, rise. Hold. Lower. Inhale, prepare, exhale, rise. Hold. Lower. Inhale, prepare, exhale, rise. Hold. Lower. Inhale, prepare, exhale, rise. Hold. Lower. Again, prepare at the bottom, exhale, rise up, hold. And lower. 2 more. Inhale, prepare, exhale, rise. Hold. Lower, last one. Inhale, prepare, exhale, rise up, hold up. 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Release down. Take those legs to table, top arm to head, oblique crunch, elbow aiming towards hip. Think about what you did on the other side. If you added the legs, then infuse them, please, on this side. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale. Ten. 8. 5, 4, 3, 2. Release the tension for a moment. Tabletop legs, arms stacked. Head is heavy. Inhale the top arm high. Exhale, let the arm draw behind you. Allow that top hip to press forward. The shoulder draws down, back, and together. And on an inhale, reactivate that arm up and then back down. Inhale, top arm high. Exhale, let that arm grow heavy. Gaze can move away. Breathe. Inhale the arm high, exhale, ground. Last one, inhale, exhale. Inhale the arm up, back down. Roll onto the belly. Take the hands under the shoulders, press the tops of the feet into the mat, rise, cobra. Elbows drawing in, neck is long. Even though we're laying on the belly, draw the belly up and in towards the spine, away from the mat below. Neck is long, gaze is just head of the mat. Lower center, and then rise, gaze right. Lower center, rise, gaze left. Center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, release, left, release. One more on the right, one more on the left. Stack the hands under the forehead. Bend the right leg. Right foot is flexed. You're just going to lift and lower the thigh off the mat. Not a big movement. Couple on the right, then we'll do a couple on the left. Not a huge space we're creating. Lift, lower, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hamstring curls, let the leg go down, pointed toe, flex, pull in, release, down, flex, pull in, release, flex, release, flex, release, flex, release. 4, 3, 2. Excellent. Bend the left, flex the left foot. Little pulses on that left side. Creating just a small space under that thigh, keeping the knee behind the hip. Five, 4, 3, 2. Release, pointed toe position, flex, pull the heel in, release toe, flex, pull the heel. 5, 4, 3, 2. Lengthen the arms long, legs long. Rise to a hover position with the arms and the legs. Then layer in, swimming, alternating, right to arm, left. Flutter. 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Stack the hands, rest the head, bend at the knees, windshield wipe those legs. Legs long, arms long, rise to the hover, pull goddess arms. Inhale, reach, exhale, pull. Inhale, reach, exhale, pull. Inhale, reach, exhale, pull. Inhale, exhale, 4, 3, 2. Pull goddess arms, flutter kick those legs. 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Stack the hands, bend at the knees, windshield wiper those legs. Find your way back to a child's pose position, drawing the glutes onto the heels, the arms overhead. Rise up into a tabletop position, 2 rounds of cat-cow. Let the belly fall, the shoulders open, the eyes lift. Exhale, touch chin to chest, round through the spine, draw the gaze to the belly button. Again, Belly falls, shoulders open, eyes up. Exhale, round, curl, and tuck. Reset, neutral spine, send the right thumb to the sky, the left heel directly behind you, foot flexed. Stay here, begin to lower and lift. Pinky toe, big toes, hit at the same time. 5, 3, 4, 3, 2. Right hand down, left knee directly behind hip pulse. Little glute kicks. Little smaller, little higher. 10. 5. Inhale, knee, nose, heel, crown, ahead, 1. In, exhale, 2. In, exhale, 3. Going to 5. There's 4. 5. Lateral lift. Foot is flexed, left leg comes out from the side. 5, 4, 3, 2. Release the knees, sing child's. Great work. Inhale, rise, tabletop, 2 cat-cows, belly falls, shoulders open, eyes up. Exhale, round, curl, tuck. Again, inhale, belly, shoulders, eyes, exhale, round, curl, tuck. Inhale, neutral spine. Send left thumb higher, right leg directly behind. Add little taps, fingertips, toe taps. Five, 4, 3, 2. Reground the left arm, bend the right leg. Little pulses. Moving a little smaller, a little higher. 4, 3, 2. Inhale, knee, nose, heel, crown, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. In, exhale, 3. In, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 5. Reset, lateral swing. One more layer of tension moving into that glute. 5, 4, 3, 2. Release, spine child's. Great work. Child's into plank, elbow shoulder alignment, form, position, legs step back, shoulders, hips, kneecaps on one level line. Too much tension in the low back. Modify by dropping those knees, please. Belly's drawing up and in. Hold and breathe. 10, 8, 6, 3, 2, side plank. Left elbow down, shoulder stacked, feet split, stacked or modified. Bottom leg long, top leg bent behind. Expand through that side body and hip as we strengthen. Hold on to it. 10, 5, opposite side plank, elbow, shoulder, rise up and hold, modifying if you need to, intensifying if you'd like, matching the effort from the other side. 10, 5, back, center plank. Second and final rounds. Check in. Any compression or discomfort in low back? And lower the knees. 10, 5, side plank. Lift that bottom hip up and away from the mat below. 10, 5, with control, elbow, shoulder. Find your way to stack, split, or staggered, modified leg position. 10, 5, back, center, child's pose. Take a moment. From child's, roll over onto the back. From the knees into the chest. Give them a hug. One more spinal twist variation. Draw the right knee in with the left leg long hold. Begin to scoot that left hip under the right so the hips are stacked. The right knee moves to the left. The gaze can move off to the right. Begin to let it go, the control of the breath, the muscles, the holding. Slowly untwist, scooting the hips back beneath you, drawing both knees in, taking a moment to find balance. Setting the right leg long, keep the left knee in. Move the left knee to the right side of the body, scooting the right hip under the left. And arriving in that twist. Present in the body. Breath move in, and the breath move out. Slowly untwist, resetting the hips beneath you, letting the knees fall out as the bottoms of the feet come together for butterfly, arms overhead. Gentle rock right to left, letting the tension in the low back go. Draw the knees in wide towards the chest, circle the feet. Hands to the outsides or the insides of the feet, moving to the yoga world for a moment. Happy baby. Feet flexed, ankles over kneecaps, gentle rock or stillness. And once again, hug the knees in. Begin to energize, slowly rolling front to back, taking your time, rolling like a ball until we find a very loose form, forward fold at the top, cross-legged or long-legged position. Let the head be heavy once again as you breathe into the back body. And grounding through sit bones, engaging belly inward, restack the vertebrae, one on top of the other, shoulders back, chest open. Take a deep inhale to reach the arms overhead. Exhale, release. Two more. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. Last one. Inhale, big breath in. Exhale, slow breath out. Take a couple standing torso twists. reawakening to the standing position. And take a moment to just stand, feet hip width apart, knees soft, and let yourself fully arrive back in the body. Thank you for joining me. Excellent work today. I look forward to working with you again. Be well.